We back with another video. 360 right here. You know what I'm saying? My boy was not prepared to be on camera. But yeah, we're gonna get into this hot taper. We're gonna put the ball line where the top of that ear start. Then we're gonna clean up right under that ball line. And then we're gonna hit the back of that beard line. And then I like to do that, you know what I'm saying, just cause it's like a system I got, man. I'm really organized, and that's what I do, you know what I'm saying. Clean that up, and then we're gonna hop into that first guideline. So starting with this first guideline, man. Take a guess, y'all. What we doing? No guard open. You know what I'm saying? Then we gonna hop into that 1.5, down to that 1, down to that 0.5, and then down to that no guard open. You know what I'm saying? If that line's still there. But you know what I'm saying? Right here, we just going in that. Oh, flip the clipper. Flip the clipper with the grain. You know what I'm saying? Because the hair wasn't cutting low enough. You know what I'm saying? Then we're gonna fade the top of that beard. You know, start open, halfway, and then all the way up and just snatching at it like I'm doing right there. But on the first guideline where we here right there, just make it 1 inch wide and make sure you go over it multiple times and you'll be good. Coming in with the 1 guard, using the corners of my blade. Please pay attention to that. Please pay attention to that. Using the corners, you know what I'm saying? Closed up right now, combing in the right direction. Everything plays a part in this. You know what I'm saying? Comb in the right direction. Look how I'm pulling the ear. Even when I'm pulling the ear, I'm doing something. You know what I'm saying? That skin is getting tight when I pull that ear. So just watch everything, the mechanics. You know what I'm saying? Everything. And that's that 1. Now it's time for the 0.5. Using the corners on your clipper. Just playing in between the levels, halfway and open. Just playing, not trying to cut too much hair off, not trying to go too high with it. Coming in the right direction and just really just flicking at it, finessing the fade. And yeah, there we go. Now coming down on top of this, I know y'all see that book right there. Boom, hit that. You can start open. When you're coming down on that book area. Start open, go halfway, and then you can go close if it's still heavy right there. And then I'm just coming back, made it open, opened the lever all the way, and then just hitting with my corners to that dark area, and just finessing the fade right here, just detailing. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, start on this back taper. Putting this ball line in at the bottom of the ears, and then we're gonna hop into our first guideline, which is the no guard open. Debug with our 1.5, 1.5 no guard. look right here, please hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Please hit that subscribe button, like button. Please hit it. Thank you. Relaxation. Yes, sir. Hot towel method on my boy. Yes, sir. Put that on there. Then we're going to take that off. Hit him with the hole and spray. And then we're going to get into that lineup. You feel me? Start in the middle. Work your way to your left or your right, whichever one that you prefer. And then just keep it as natural as possible. Yeah, my boy was falling asleep. He was tired. I had to say, hold on now. Wake up a little bit for me. But nah, man, my boy feel comfortable enough to fall asleep in the trail with me. I appreciate you. Thank you, my brother. And yeah, anytime you have somebody falling asleep, it could be harder for you to line up. But you know what I'm saying? It ain't nothing to it but to do it, you know what I'm saying? yes, sir, we made it through this haircut, man. If y'all made it this far through the video, please hit that subscribe button, leave a thumbs up, and comment if you know what I'm saying. Let me know what y'all think, man. Appreciate y'all, and more videos coming soon.